Want to know the best way to learn Forex trading? Here is what you need to do. Are you trying to find the best way to learn Forex trading? Foreign exchange, Forex trading has become quite an opportunity to make a lot of money. If you want to get started in Forex trading, then you need to know a couple of things. Here are some of the things that you need to know. Learn as much about Forex trading. The first thing that you need to do is to learn how to do Forex trading. You can do this by doing some research about the Forex markets and the methods that you can use for Forex trading. You also need to know how Forex trading works. These are the basics when it comes to how to learn Forex trading. Learn from experience. As you probably already know, the best teacher that you can get is experience. The same thing applies to Forex trading. After spending a while doing some research about Forex trading, you might want to jump into the Forex market immediately. Just create a demo account and try out a couple of dry run trading. Get help from Forex trading platforms. You will be able to find so many different platforms for Forex trading out there. When you are starting Forex trading, you need to get yourself used to one of those platforms. If you are lucky, you might find the best Forex trading platform that feels comfortable for you. This is the best way to learn Forex trading. Learn how to let go. When it comes to Forex trading, you have to know when to let go. A lot of traders make a common mistake of thinking that the market will come around after they make a mistake. Well, often, this does not happen. And that is why you need to learn how to close your trade and get out of the market. You need to know this if you want to learn Forex trading basics. Use a small Forex account. Another thing you should know is to use a small Forex account when you are trading for the first time. Doing small trades allows you to put a couple of bucks on the line. However, you will not have to go through the pain of huge losses if you make a mistake. That is what they tell you when you try to learn Forex trading online. Learn about currencies. Since Forex trading involves currencies, you have to know a lot about them. Of course, it is only logical to understand what you are trading. A lot of new traders often make the mistake of jumping in without any knowledge at all about what they are buying and selling. And in this situation, it will be so easy for them to lose money. This is why learning about currencies will help tremendously when you are trading. Forex trading is one of the most profitable opportunities that you can try. If you want to learn Forex trading, then you need to know a couple of things. With the help of this guide and Trade Juice program, you will be able to know the best way to learn Forex trading without any problem at all. Visit link below in the description to learn more.